There you have it. Reggae Burger. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. I'm fully active that in the backyard. You understand? Today, people, we're making reggae burgers. Obviously, we're just making a Caribbean style burger, really, but we're going to call it a reggae burger because I feel like calling it a reggae burger. But it's a reggae burger. It's not, someone's gonna say, but that's not a reggae. Yes, it is a reggae burger. How do you know what a reggae burger is? So we're doing reggae burgers. Fully active. So if you're a reggae burger, you're gonna need some mincemeat. Yeah, get the steak one, don't get the cheap one. You know what I'm saying? We're making burgers. You gotta get some decent mincemeat. You know what I'm saying? Seasonings. I am going to use this Badia complete seasoning, and we're gonna use some Maggi season up all-purpose seasoning. Also, we're going to dash in some breadcrumbs as well. First things first. All right, good vibes. Let's go in for the breadcrumbs first. Good vibes. That should be cool. Then we're going to go in with the Maggi seasoning. Oh, we need some more of that. There's not much left in there. Good vibes. Some of this. Heavy on that because there weren't much in the Maggi. All right, season that up, mix that up together quickly. Next, people, gonna chop up this onion, put half of the onion in, cut it nice and fine, and maybe like half of this Scotch bonnet, chop that up fine and get that inside there. All right, I've got my onion, I've got my Scotch bonnet there, and get my onion and put that inside there. And what I'm gonna do is actually, no, I'm just going to do it all one time. Just going to do it all one time, people, and get that scooped in there as well. Good vibes. Reggae burgers. Give this a mix around. I would recommend, if you're at home, not touching the Scotch bonnet with your hand. But I'm a professional. You know what I'm saying? So we just want to mix all that proper in together now, people. And then we're going to form our patties. All right. I've got my my patty balls ready. You got to throw them around a little bit. And, you know what I'm saying? That is it. You should be able to just press them straight out. I don't want it too thin. I don't want a smash burger. You know what I mean? That should be good. This little egg, oh, that's good, man. You can stay in there. Yeah, fix that one up a little bit. There we go. Turn it over. Pretty much there. Sort them out a little bit around the sides here and stuff. And they're good to go. Fully active. There you go, people. They look a little bit better. They'll be fine, them little. After a while, they will just keep turning them over and they'll be fine. Yeah, man, reggae burgers. You're gonna leave these for at least half an hour. Make them settle, you know. In the meantime, whilst the burgers are relaxing and whatnot, I want to show you something. Yeah, I got something to show you. Watch this. Remember, and I showed you, I picked off a couple leaves of a grabber plant. If you watch my episodes all the time, you see me a few weeks ago, or a few episodes ago, I picked off some grabber, the first leaves, and I showed you how it was getting on. There we go. That is the final grabber. And I don't need to tell you too much what you do with it next. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Fresh, straight from the garden. No chemicals, no nothing. Got another one there. Let you see the last little bit. Last little bit has got a turn there. Remember the leaf? That's what the leaf looks like before. Just think all of these leaves, it's gonna turn into that. Once they dry up, there's new ones growing down there. Bare things going on. Reggae burgers. Time for these babies to go on now. Yeah. Good vibes. Fully active. That is it. You know the code. Yeah. Reggae burgers are gone. All right. Now, it wouldn't be a reggae burger if it didn't have the colors with it. So what we're gonna need, red, gold, and green. Yeah, that's gonna be our toppings that we're gonna put inside the burger, people. We've already chopped them, actually just leave the tomato like that. Chop up this pepper, chop up the avocado, a good vibes. Yeah, give these a flip, people. Nice. Yeah, Itaguan. And there we have it. Red, gold, and green, ready to go in our burgers. It is looking like these are nearly done. I don't know how you like your burgers, but I don't like mine too done. So yeah, we're just gonna make some sauce quickly now, people. Which is gonna be a mix between tomato ketchup and pepper sauce. Yeah. Obviously, we're going to put way more tomato sauce than pepper sauce, you know what I'm saying? Add a little bit of pepper sauce in there, people. Good vibes. And that is our reggae sauce. Not reggae sauce. It's our reggae burger sauce, sorry. All right, cool. We have got our sauce ready. We've got our red, green, and yellow. Grab some lime juice up there, actually. One sec, people. Grab some lime juice, so that some Jamaican lime juice, yeah, just so that avocado don't go a funny color. One sec, sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Yeah, good vibes. Keep that nice. Yeah, these are ready. Yeah. They're ready. Let's just put them to the side whilst we do our buns. You know what I'm saying? Fully active reggae burgers. There we go. Seasoned. Our red, gold, and green. We've got our sauce. Bit of cheese, obviously. Brochet buns, because yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. So we're gonna give these a little toast on each side. A little bit of salt on the avocado. All right, buns ready. Charred, nicely, perfect. Don't say that it's burnt, because it's not burnt, it's charred, that's proper. All right, what we're gonna do quickly is we're gonna get one of the burgers. Which one we're gonna have? I'm gonna go for this one. We're gonna get the cheese on top of it and melt that on top of there now. All right. Get some cheese on that. Get that melt in. Oi! Look at that melt. Mad thing. All right, people, let's go. Now I'm gonna put the sauce on next. our reggae sauce. Get that spread around there. A little bit more. Nice. A little bit more for luck. All right. What we're going to do next, we're going to get the red, gold, and the green. Put the green there. Get the gold in the middle, facing the same direction. And then we got our red in. As you can see, Reggae Burger is on the build, people. You know what I'm saying? We can't leave a couple pickles. We've got to get a couple pickles in there. You know what I'm saying? And I think that is about it. Get that on there. Are we missing anything? No, I don't think we are. There we go. Oh, don't fall out, don't fall out. There we go. There we have it. There you have it. Reggae Burger. You know what I'm saying? Oh my days. Red, gold and green in the inside. Colours. Yeah, got the pickle in there, the cheese. There you go, people. One Reggae Burger. Let's see what she tastes like. Smells beautiful. Oh, that avocado keeps dropping out there. It's a little bit on the big side though. We might need to, I'm not really sure what way I'm going to attack this, but yeah. Colours. I'll tell you what. It's a good one, people. You get a little different bite in each part. Tomato over here, pepper over here, avocado over here. Get that pepper back in there. Good vibes, people. Really nice. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hype up the video, and I'll see you next time. Bigger.